Hello everyone and welcome to the Weather Center. The weather is set to stay pretty unsettled this Sunday across much of eastern South Africa. We are going to stay with cloudy skies giving us widespread rain and thunder showers over parts of the northwest, Limpopo, Gauteng and the Mpumalanga province. The widespread rainfall could also spill into northern KwaZulu-Natal. The chance of thunder showers decreases as we go towards the western parts of the Free State. We are going to see light rain and drizzle over parts of the east coast. On the other hand, it's going to stay mostly sunny over much of western South Africa, although we could see a bit of fog and cloud around Alexander Bay, and we have that cold front having its eyes set for our shows. Between a 20 and 40% chance of rain and thunder showers is forecast this Sunday over the central and southeastern parts of the country. A 40% chance of rain for northeastern Limpopo, but scattered to widespread thunderstorms as well as rainfall can be expected where you see the dark shade of blue and the shading of purple across the northwest, Gauteng and Mpumalanga, as well as the southern and western parts of the Limpopo province. We have a watch in place for heavy rains that could result in localized flooding in places across the northwest, Gauteng and Mpumalanga, as well as the southern and western parts of the Limpopo province. A warning is also in place for high fire danger across the western interior of the Northern Cape, extending down into the Cape Peninsula, where we've been having problems with runaway fires around Somerset West. It's going to be mild this afternoon across much of Limpopo, Mpumalanga, Gauteng and the northwest, but rather warm around Vryburg with a high of 27 degrees. A warm day is also forecast across much of the Eastern Cape, Bloemfontein peaking at 28. Mild temperatures as we go towards KwaZulu-Natal and the eastern parts of the Free State. It's going to be breezy this afternoon around Port Elizabeth, lighter winds for the rest of the east coast, and we're expecting temperatures along these coastal areas to lie mostly in the mid-20s. It's going to be sizzling hot this afternoon for Robertson, Worcester and Vredendal, all shooting to around 37 degrees. A warm day is forecast along the south and the southwest coastline, where we are expecting moderate to fresh southeasterly. Swell heights off the south coast will average around 2 meters, with the swell coming from a southwesterly direction. Another hot day is forecast across much of the Northern Cape. It's going to be fairly comfortable for Kimberley, peaking at 29 degrees. Fresh winds are forecast for much of your Sunday along much of the west coast, but the winds are set to pick up speed over these coastal areas as we go towards the evening hours. 2.5 meter swell heights off the west coast, and the swell will be coming from a southwesterly direction. On Monday, we stay with scattered thunderstorms over the northeast. The showers will be isolated over the western interior.